Learn Gujarati pronouns fast. Together, alone, all, every, nobody, someone, man, and
એકબીજાને.
welcome to your Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are here, and that already makes you a language hero. Today you will learn a small but mighty set of Gujarati words that show who is with whom, who is missing, and who ate all the snacks. Our magical word team today is together,
સાથે.
alone,
એકલો.
all,
બધા.
every,
દરેક.
nobody,
કોઈ નહીં.
someone,
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
man,
માણસ.
and each other.
એકબીજાને.
Say them with me once, proudly, like you are announcing the winners of a very emotional biscuit competition. A very suspicious picnic. Listen closely and picture the scene. The funnier it feels, the easier it sticks. One sunny morning.
બધા.
The friends planned a picnic. They wanted to walk,
સાથે.
eat,
સાથે.
and laugh at terrible jokes.
સાથે.
But when Ravi arrived at the park, he found
કોઈ નહીં.
there, nobody, not one person, not even a dramatic pigeon. So he sat
એકલો.
on a bench and said, "Wow. I came to a group picnic and became a one-person festival." Then
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
appeared near the gate. It was a mysterious
માણસ.
carrying a giant watermelon like it was a royal treasure. Ravi thought,
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
is finally here. Soon,
બધા.
the friends came running in. Sorry, they shouted. We were looking for
દરેક.
spoon,
દરેક.
cup, and apparently
દરેક.
excuse. Then they smiled at,
એકબીજાને.
shared the food, and spent the day.
સાથે.
Meet the words. Now let us slow it down a little. You will meet each word like a new character in a comedy show. Together is
સાથે.
imagine two socks refusing to travel without each other. They go.
સાથે.
Alone is
એકલો.
one chair, one cookie, one person, no company.
એકલો.
All is
બધા.
not some, not a few, all the snacks, all the cousins, all the noise.
બધા.
Every is
દરેક.
one by one, each item counts.
દરેક.
Nobody is
કોઈ નહીં.
you open the door, expect applause, and find
કોઈ નહીં.
someone is
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
a mystery person, a secret cake thief.
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
Man is
માણસ.
a man in the market, a man at the door, a friendly.
માણસ.
Each other is
એકબીજાને.
two people helping, seeing, or annoying.
એકબીજાને.
Many dialogues you can use. Let us make the words speak. Repeat after each line if you want. A. Shall we go together? B. Yes, let us go.
સાથે.
A. Are you with friends? B. No, I am.
એકલો.
A. Are all the students here? B. Yes,
બધા.
are here. A. Did you check every bag? B. Yes,
દરેક.
bag. A. Who is outside? B.
કોઈ નહીં.
A. Who called my name? B.
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
A. Who is that near the door? B. That
માણસ.
is our neighbor. A. Do good friends help each other? B. Yes, they help.
એકબીજાને.
Quick memory tricks. Here comes the sneaky memory part. No lab coat needed, just imagination. 4.
સાથે.
Imagine two hands coming together. 4.
એકલો.
Remember that EK sounds like one, so one person alone. 4.
બધા.
Sweep your arm wide like you mean everybody in the room. 4.
દરેક.
Point one by one. Every cup, every spoon, every suspicious banana. 4.
કોઈ નહીં.
Picture an empty party with untouched snacks. Tragic. Delicious, but tragic. 4.
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
Think of a blurry mystery person in a movie. 4.
માણસ.
Picture a friendly man waving at you. 4.
એકબીજાને.
Imagine two friends pointing at each other and laughing. Your tiny quiz show. Time for a fast quiz. You versus the vocabulary. I believe in you. How do you say together in Gujarati?
સાથે.
How do you say alone?
એકલો.
How do you say all?
બધા.
How do you say every?
દરેક.
How do you say nobody?
કોઈ નહીં.
How do you say someone?
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
How do you say man?
માણસ.
How do you say each other?
એકબીજાને.
Final challenge. Now you are ready for the boss level. Try to understand this little scene. A
માણસ.
came to the square, but at first there was
કોઈ નહીં.
with him, so he stood.
એકલો.
Then
કોઈ વ્યક્તિ.
waved, then another, and soon
બધા.
the neighbors were there.
દરેક.
Person brought food. They sat,
સાથે.
talked to,
એકબીજાને.
and nobody left hungry. Honestly, that is the kind of ending every chapter deserves. Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You learned a lot, and your brain deserves a happy little parade. Thank you for learning with me. Practice these words again out loud.
સાથે. એકલો. બધા. દરેક. કોઈ નહીં. કોઈ વ્યક્તિ. માણસ. એકબીજાને.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and come back soon for more English to Gujarati fun.